Welcome to MatheNatic. We are busy revising equations, and in this video we want to solve for x. So here we are given 2 to the power of x plus 16 to the power of negative x is equal to negative 10. And this example builds on our previous video where we used the k method. So can you see in our first term we have 2 to the power of x. In our second term, we have 2 to the power of negative x, and in our third term, we don't have any 2 to the power of x. Now, what my preference is to rewrite this 2 to the power of negative x as 2 to the power of x by creating a fraction. And can you see now, we still have our three terms, where two of those terms have 2 to the power of x. So what I'm doing is I'm choosing to make 2 to the power of x equal to k. When I do that, the first term, which is 2 to the power of x, would simply become k. Our middle term would be 16 divided by k. And our third term would simply be negative 10, because there is no 2 to the power of x. Now, in order for me to get rid of the fraction, I will multiply everywhere by k. So it will be k times k, which becomes k squared. In the second term, it's 16 times k, and the k's will cancel out, which will simply become plus 16. And in a third term, it's negative 10 times k, which becomes negative 10k. On the right-hand side, 0 times k would remain or stay as 0. Now you have a trinomial, and if you reorder the terms, you can have it as k squared minus 10k plus 16. And this is quite an easy trinomial to factorize, so it leads me to k minus 8 times k minus 2. So when I solve for k, I have k is equals to 8 and k is equal to 2. But the original question said solve for x. So remember, we said k is equals to 2 to the power of x. So I replace the k with 2 to the power of x in each of these solutions. And in the first solution, I can rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. And can you see the bases are the same? So we can see that x is equal to 3. In the second equation, we have 2 to the power of x is equals to 2. Now remember, 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1. So we can see that x is equal to 1. So therefore x is 1. And that is how we can use the k method to solve for x. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.